Standard 3 Maths Chapter number 11 Jugs and Mugs. Jugs and mugs, what is this? Little confused. Let me tell you, this lesson is about capacity. Now, what is capacity? Capacity, this word we are using for liquid things. Liquid things, as example, water, milk, any juices, that is the liquid form, and vegetables, fruits, that are the solid form. We will talk here liquid forms. Now, what is the capacity? So the amount of liquid a container can hold. Container, as example, jug, mug, bucket, etc. So the amount of liquid a container can hold is called its capacity. मीन्स जग है तो जग में कितना पानी आ सकता है, कितना मिल्क आ सकता है. अ ग्लास कैन होल्ड हाउ मच वाटर, हाउ मच अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर और हाउ मच अमाउंट ऑफ मिल्क. सो दैट इज द कैपेसिटी कि कोई भी कंटेनर कितना लिक्विड होल्ड कर सकता है. ओके, सो दैट इज द कैपेसिटी. सो फॉर लिक्विड थिंग्स वी आर यूजिंग द वर्ड कैपेसिटी. एंड लीटर. Liter is the standard form of capacity. Standard unit. Liter is the standard unit. Standard unit. So liter is the standard unit of capacity. We measure a capacity of a container in a liter or milliliter. Liter or milliliter. These two are the units of capacity. Okay, liter or milliliter. Liter, it represent as L, small l, and milliliter, it represents in small l, ml. Okay, milliliter represent liter, milliliter represent L, milliliter represents ml. Liter is the bigger unit. Liter is the bigger unit. And milliliter is the smaller unit. Liter is the bigger unit and milliliter is the smaller unit. And 1 liter has 1000 milliliter. 1 liter has 1000 milliliter. Means 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Now we will talk about our lesson. Chapter number 11. Jugs and mugs. Chapter number 11. Textbook, page number 153. Jugs and mugs. Bunny weds Banno. Special drinks. Wedding in Bunny's family. Bunny के family में wedding है. Now let's read what they are talking. There is a wedding in Bunny's family. A family of rabbits. Many guests are invited. Deer, monkeys, elephants, cats, dogs, mice, foxes, camels, mongoose, etc. A special drink is served to all the guests. 1 glass each. सभी जो गेस्ट इनवाइट किए हैं सबके लिए स्पेशल ड्रिंक है. एक एक ग्लास सभी को देनी है. Everyone finds the drink very tasty, but some small guests like. Small guest कौन कौन से है? Like rat, sparrow. Okay, 1 glass तो सबको देनी है. But small guests they cannot drink 1 glass. But some small guests like rat, sparrow cannot finish a full glass. पूरी ग्लास फिनिश नहीं कर सकते. उनकी साइज छोटी है. But Camel is able to finish his glass. Camel की साइज रेड, स्पैरो ये सबसे बड़ी है. So camel can easily finish that glass. But rat and sparrow they are not able to finish full glass. Some others like elephant, deer, monkey ask for more than 1 glass. Why they ask for 1 and more glass? बिकॉज दे आर बिगर देन रेड स्पैरो ये सब छोटी साइज के एनिमल्स है, उनको कम खाना चाहिए, कम ड्रिंक चाहिए. एलिफेंट, डियर, मंकी, कैमल, उन सब की साइज रेड स्पैरो से थोड़ी बड़ी है. सो दे नीड मोर ड्रिंक, सो दे ड्रिंक मोर देन 1 glass. Elephant, deer, monkey. Now the trouble begin. There are some big guests who go on gulping down glass after glass. Gulping down, एक के बाद एक पिए जा रहे हैं. Bunny wants to guess who drank how much. कौन सा एनिमल ने कितनी जूस पिया है वो उनको गेस करना है. Help him fill the table. Have fun. Now one table is given. Rank how much and name of guest. I already wrote here name of guest. Less than 1 glass. एक ग्लास से भी कम कौन कौन सा एनिमल ने पिया है? So rat and sparrow. Between 1 to 5 glasses. Cat and dog. Between 5 to 10 glasses. Monkey, deer. And more than 10 glasses. इतना सारा ड्रिंक किसने पिया? कैमल, एलिफेंट, ये दोनों ने पिया. ओके. नाउ वाटर इन, वाटर आउट. I drink so much water in a day, but all of it does not go out of me. Where does it go? Are you drinking water? Have you ever thought like लड्डू? लड्डू ने सोचा, ऐसा आपने कभी सोचा है? About how many glasses of water do you drink in a day? एक दिन में कितना पानी पीते हो? Are you drinking the water regularly? In summer days we need approximately 7 to 8 glasses, and in winter days ठंड है, so 4 to 5 glasses we need. So can you guess how much water goes out of your? आपकी बॉडी में से कितना पानी बाहर जाता है? So I guess about half of the water taken by me goes out of my body. जितने पीते हैं उससे हाफ यानी आधा पानी वॉशरूम थ्रू चला जाता है. नेक्स्ट पेज नंबर 155. Bottles and buckets. Get a 1 liter bottle, can be an empty bottle of water, oil, etc. 1 लीटर की बॉटल लो. Then now collect some bottles and a mug, jug, glass, bowl, etc. Like him. ये सब कंटेनर है. At your house, घर पे ये सब आप कर, you can try at your home. Use the 1 liter bottle to check which of these holds more than 1 liter and which one holds less than 1 liter. Take 1 liter bottle, okay, and then take other container also like bucket, jar, mug, glass, bowl, okay, and try to fill that with the 1 liter bottle. Now, in which container holds more than 1 liter and less than 1 liter? Make a small drawing if you like. If you like, you can make a small drawing here or in your notebook also. Less than 1 liter and more than 1 liter. Bowl and big cooking pot. Bowl is small, big cooking pot is big. Bottle. Pressure cooker. It is bigger than this. In pressure cooker more than 1 liter. लेस देन 1 लीटर. बॉटल में लेस देन 1 लीटर. मग है उसमें 1 लीटर से कम पानी आता है. कप में 1 लीटर से कम आता है. स्पून ऑल्सो. एंड मोर देन 1 लीटर, 1 लीटर से ज़्यादा पानी. सो कुकिंग पॉट, तिपेला. प्रेशर कुकर, बकेट, कढ़ाई, ड्रम. सो इन दिस कंटेनर it holds more than 1 liter and in these containers less than 1 liter of water. Next page number 156. Match the right pairs. Pictures and liters are given. We have to match this. About 12 liters. Which container? Water tank. This one to measure milk. Bucket. कौन से कंटेनर में more about 12 liters आता है? So 12 liters. Which one is the bigger? Yes, this water tank. Water tank. It is bigger. But water tank तो 1000 लीटर, 700 लीटर, 1500 लीटर उतनी आती है. So 12 लीटर तो बहुत कम है. So Bucket can fill about 12 liters of water. So join this with bucket. Then less than half liter, 1 लीटर और उससे भी कम, और उससे भी कम, less than half liter, too less. So it eye drop. Okay, so join here with eye drop, less than 1 liter and with eye drop. About 5 liters, about 5 liters. Water Surahi. This container can hold about 5 liters of water. So join it with 5 liters of water. 1000 liter. Simple hai. This water tank. And half liter. Half liter for milk. Adha liter that we can use for milk. So join it with this. Next page. Whose jug holds more? One question is given. What are Naima and Jitu doing? What are they doing? Can you guess? Yes, they are filling their jugs with water. They are filling their jugs with water. They have jug and glass. So what they are doing? They are filling this jug with the किससे करते हैं? With the water. जग के अंदर पानी डालते हैं. This is the glass. किसका जग बड़ा दिखाई दे रहा है? Yes, जीतू's जग is bigger than Naima. इसका जग थोड़ा छोटा है, इसका बड़ा है. So let's solve some question answers that given here. If Naima pours 1 glass of water in her jug, it looks like this. If she pours 1 glass of water in her jug, ये ग्लास एक ग्लास वाटर एक जग इस जग में डाला. So it looks like this. Naima thinks she will have to pour around 3 glasses of water to fill the jug. What do you think? आप क्या सोचते हो? If she pour 1 glass of water, it looks like this. एक ग्लास इतना आता है जग में. So if she will have to pour 3 glasses of water, 1 glass, 2 glass and 3 glass, full हो जाएगा. So full हो जाएगा. Jug can fill. Yes, I think Naima is right. I think she is right. She will have to pour around 3 glasses of water to fill the jug. Then, if Jitu pours 1 glass of water in his jug, it look like this. Now Jitu's turn. If he pour 1 glass of water in his jug, it looks like this. Jitu's jug is little bigger than Naima's jug. So, what you are thinking? Whose jug holds more water? Yes, Jitu's jug holds more water. How many glasses of water do you think Jitu should pour to fill his jug? I wrote here 4 glasses of water because Naima's jug is smaller than Jitu's jug. Naima pour 3 glasses of water. So it is little bigger. So we can say 4 glasses of water. Jitu will have to pour around 4 glasses to fill the jug. If Jitu pours 1 more glass of water, his jug will be around this. He needed 4 glasses to fill the jug. 4 glasses में जग फुल कर देता है. So एक ग्लास डाली है, दूसरी एक ग्लास डालेगी तो कितने ग्लास हो गए? 2 glasses. So 2 glasses means half of 4. Half of 4. So you can write here half. एक ग्लास डालेगा तो क्या होगा? जीतू का जग हाफ हो जाएगा. Okay? Half. Filling pots. Naseem and Abdul had to fill their pots each with water. These pots are there and they have their bottle. Both pots were equally big and heavy. दोनों same है. So they went to the tap again and again. It is both are equal and they have to pour this. Now what they are doing? They went to the tap. ये नल है. Tap again and again. एक बॉटल से यहाँ डालते हैं, फिर आते हैं, डालते हैं, जाते हैं. Okay, again and again. Fill their own bottles and poured water into the pots. अपनी बॉटल भरते हैं, पॉट में डालते हैं, फिर वापस आते हैं, बॉटल टैप से भरते हैं, डालते हैं। किसका बॉटल बड़ा दिखाई दे रहा है? ये और ये। ऑब्वियसली Abdul's bottle is bigger than Nasim's bottle. Nasim had to fill her bottle 16 times from the tap. उसको कितनी बार फिल करना है? 16 टाइम। 16 टाइम बॉटल भरो, टैप पॉट में डालो, भरो, पॉट में डालो, 16 टाइम्स। बट अब्दुल हैड टू फिल हिज बॉटल ओनली 8 टाइम्स। 8 टाइम्स क्यों? ये तो 16 टाइम्स जाती है, ये ओनली 8 टाइम बिकॉज वी कैन सी Abdul's bottle is bigger than this Nasim's bottle. So why did Nasim go more times than Abdul? नसीम को ज़्यादा टाइम क्यों जाना पड़ता है? Because Nasim's bottle can hold only half of, and we can see already because Nasim had to go more times. क्यों? Because Nasim's bottle is smaller than Abdul's bottle. Nasim's bottle is smaller than Abdul's bottle. Now Nasim's bottle can hold, we can say half. क्यों half? 16 time and ये 8 time. So 8 time is half of 16. 8 time is half of 16. So we can say Nasim's bottle is half of the Abdul's bottle. Nasim's bottle can hold half water, as much water as Abdul's bottle. How many glasses? 2 pots A and B is given here. Pot B holds 11 glasses of water. Pot B holds 11 glasses of water. Pot A holds twice as much water as pot B. Pot A hold, इसमें कितना पानी आता है? Pot B से twice. Twice means 2 times. Twice means 2 times, and 2 times means multiply by 2. That we learn already in multiplication. 2 times. So 11 2s are 22. Pot A holds twice as much water as pot B. So how many glasses of water are needed to fill pot A? So 11 into 2, 22. So pot A, 22. Next page. Page number 159. Filling potholes means gadde. This is a small town near Kohima. There are some potholes in the road. Before the rains come, children want to fill the holes with pebbles. They bring pebbles in mugs of the same size. Hole A, hole B and hole C. 3 holes are here. 1, 2 and 3. Hole A gets filled with 9 mugs of pebbles. Hole B gets filled with 18 mugs of pebbles and hole C gets filled with 12 mugs of pebble. 9, 8 and 12. So hole A gets filled with 9. उसको 9 मग चाहिए पेबल से फुल. B को 18 और C को 12. बड़ा कौन सा है? Which hole is big? B, hole B. This one is the bigger. So 3 holes are given. 1, 2 and 3. Which one is bigger? This one. So we can write B here. This is the hole B. Then 18. उससे थोड़ा छोटा 12. So it is hole C. Hole C. 3 hole. ये तो बहुत छोटा है. So this we can name hole C. And small, this is the hole A. Okay. A, B and C. That we already mark. Mark A, B, C on the right hole in the picture. Which is the biggest pothole? Which one is the biggest? Simple. Pothole B. B is the biggest. Then if jugs are used, hole A gets filled with 5 jugs. How many jugs of pebbles are needed to fill hole B? Here we can see Which one? Hole A, hole B and hole C. Now hole A and hole B. 9 and 18. 9 twos are 18. Hole A is the twice of hole B. So we can say pothole B needs twice the number of pebbles than pothole A. Twice the number 9. So 9 twos are twice, so 18. So we can say pothole B needs twice the number of pebbles than pothole B. So here what they asked? If jugs are used, hole A gets filled with the 5 jugs. 5 jugs. So how many jugs of pebbles are needed to fill hole? Twice of 5. Twice of 5. So 5 twos are 10. So we need 10 jugs. So if A gets filled with 5 jugs, B will need 10 jugs of pebbles to fill.